Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Cedric, right here on the Rant and Cedric channel, with a little drink review. The Tim Hortons Premium Blend Dark Roast Coffee. People have asked me, at work, even people on the internet, if I drank the dark roast Tim Hortons. I'm about to, motherfuckers, for the first time. First time ever trying out this dark roast. I'm doing it with 2 cream and 1 sugar. I'm on a diet. 2 cream, 1 sugar there. So let's go. I'm a bit scared there. Probably just tastes like the regular coffee. Okay, here goes. It's a little bit on the strong side. That's it's like drinking black coffee. Fuck. It's an elephant when he drinks dark roast coffee, people. I can't do the last part. I guess the dark roast is affecting my mouth, I don't know. Strong, but it's nasty. It tastes like shit, but it's good. It's good, not bad. You can feel it. It's like steroids. You can feel it, people. So, dark roast tastes like shit, but it's not bad. It's pretty good if you like darker, more stronger coffee. That's it right there. Steroids in a cup, people. So not too bad, the dark roast. Let's try this one more time there. A little bit of horse sounds there. Yeah. Like I can't do it anymore. Fuck it, I'm done. I'm done, but decent coffee, people. Decent coffee. Till next time. Peace.